morning class. This is our English language class and today we are going to study chapter 5 possessive nouns. So possessive nouns होता क्या है? What is possessive noun? A noun that shows that something belongs to someone. Is known as a what is possessive noun? A noun that shows that something belongs to someone is known as possessive nouns. Possessive nouns कौन से होते हैं? Possessive nouns ऐसे nouns होते हैं जो हमें बताते हैं that something belongs to someone के ऐसी noun होती है जिसमें हमें बताया जाता है कि कोई चीज़ किसी person से belong करती है या किसी से belong करती है. Okay, so suppose for example Charlie's pen. So here pen belongs to Charlie. So we denote possessive nouns with the apostrophe s. ठीक है? Possessive nouns जहाँ भी हम लिखते हैं तो उसमें we have to write like this with the apostrophe s. A possessive noun is formed possessive noun is formed by adding an apostrophe plus s. Apostrophe plus s to the noun. जब भी हम possessive noun form करते हैं we always add the apostrophe plus s. Now what is apostrophe? Apostrophe is this. Okay? जब हम ऊपर एक ऐसे करके कॉमा लगाते हैं that is known as apostrophe s. So for example John wore a tie John's tie was blue. Here we are talking about a John's tie. John wore a tie. John's tie was blue. So here we are talking about John's tie. So here we are using a possessive noun. John wore a tie. John's tie was blue. Now here we are writing like this John's tie. So for showing the possessive noun we add apostrophe. This is known as apostrophe plus s to the noun. ये हमारी noun है John और John में हमने apostrophe और s add किया है to make it possessive noun. Okay. Now look at the sentences given in your books. Here read these sentences. John wore a tie. John's tie was blue. John wore a tie. John's tie was blue. In a noun we add apostrophe plus s to show the possession of John's tie. Okay. Kiran plays the violin. Kiran's violin is a gift from her mother. Kiran जो है violin किसका है? Violin is belongs to Kiran. So we write like this Kiran's violin. Violin belongs to Kiran. So we write like this Kiran's violin. So this is apostrophe s. When we show the possession of something, here we are showing the possession of violin with Kiran. So we add apostrophe plus s to the noun. हम किरण के साथ apostrophe और s को ऐड कर देंगे. possessive nouns हमें जहाँ भी शो करनी होती है, वहाँ जहाँ पे भी हमको possession शो करना होता है, there we have to add apostrophe plus s. Here John's tie shows that the tie belongs to John. In this sentence, it is showing that tie belongs to John and violin belongs to Kiran. In both these sentences, we add an apostrophe plus s with the noun to show the possession. जिस पर्सन के साथ बिलोंग कर रहा है वो चीज, तो उसके नेम के साथ हम apostrophe of s को ऐड कर देंगे. ओके. A noun that shows that something belongs to someone is known as possessive noun. जैसे कि I have told you earlier, a noun that shows that something belongs to someone. जो noun हमें ये बताती है कि कोई चीज किसी पर्सन से बिलोंग कर रही है, उसको हम possessive noun कहते हैं. और possessive noun के केस में we use apostrophe plus s with the noun. Names ending with s. सपोज कोई नाउन एस से ही एंड हो रही है, तो हम उसमें बाद में अपॉस्ट्रोफी लगाएंगे, लेकिन एस को ऐड नहीं करेंगे. जब कोई नाउन पहले से ही एस से एंड हो रही है, तो हम उसमें बाद में एस को ऐड नहीं करेंगे. द apostrophe is also used to show that something is related to another. Jazz School has a big library. There is a children's museum in our city. For plural nouns we add an apostrophe after the s. और जो नाउन में पहले से ही प्लूरल होता है, उसमें हम नाउन के बाद apostrophe ही ऐड करते हैं, s को ऐड नहीं करते हैं. जो वर्ड्स पहले से ही s से ऐड हो रहे हैं, उसमें सिर्फ हम apostrophe ऐड करते हैं, उसमें हम बाद में s को ऐड नहीं करते हैं. ओके. In the singular noun we have to add the apostrophe plus s, and in the plural noun the words which are ending with s already, then in that case we only use apostrophe with the noun. We don't use s with that kind of words. Okay. So possessive noun, एक बार फिर से let me repeat it for you all. Possessive noun is a noun that shows that something belongs to someone. जो possession show करती है, possession means अधिकार किसी का show कर रही है किसी चीज के साथ, तो वो possessive noun होती है. possessive noun में हम क्या करते हैं, possessive noun में हम noun के साथ apostrophe. What is apostrophe? This is apostrophe. हम possessive noun के केस में noun के साथ apostrophe और s को ऐड करते हैं. इन singular cases में हम apostrophe और s को ऐड करते हैं, but in the case of plural words we only add apostrophe. जो words s से end हो रहे हैं या जो words पहले से ही plural form में है, उसमें हम सिर्फ apostrophe यूज करते हैं और उसमें end में s को हम यूज नहीं करते. Okay class, so this is the explanation for possessive nouns. This you have to study at home once again. Okay, in the next class we will do the exercises of this chapter. Okay, thank you.